Courtrooms are supposed to be temples of logic and justice, right? Places where truth, evidence, and common sense collide to deliver fair rulings. Well, not always. Across the world, judges have made rulings so bizarre, illogical, and downright dumb that you'll question whether the law is run by humans or by aliens with no understanding of reality. We're talking million-dollar lawsuits over garden gnomes, fines for eating ice cream while walking, and even cases where judges openly admit they had no idea what they were ruling. And it still counts. Today, we're counting down 25 of the dumbest courtroom decisions ever made. Some will make you laugh, some will make you cry, and some will make you question the very foundation of justice. Strap in, because the law is about to get weird. Number 1. The garden gnome lawsuit. Yes, it's real. A man sued his neighbor for emotional distress caused by a garden gnome. Why? Because the gnome was moved in a prank, and apparently that trauma was so severe it warranted millions of dollars in damages. Imagine spending years in court over a tiny plastic decoration in someone's yard. The jury actually agreed. In the world of courtroom absurdity, yard ornaments can legally ruin lives. Number 2. Invisible dog bite. A man once sued for being bitten by an invisible dog. And yes, the court ruled in his favor. No one saw the dog, no one could confirm it existed, but apparently his testimony that he was bitten was enough. This ruling is the perfect example of how courts sometimes operate on imagination, not evidence. Next time your dog chases you in your mind, remember, it might just be legally real. Number 3. Millionaire hits ice cream truck. A billionaire accidentally ran over an ice cream truck. The driver sued. You'd think common sense would side with the injured party, right? Wrong. The court ruled in favor of the millionaire, arguing that the truck must assume the risks of being hit by someone with extreme wealth. Millions in damages avoided. Lesson: in some courts, money literally outweighs logic. Number 4. Affluenza. Teen walks free. This is one of the most infamous cases in U.S. legal history. A rich teenager caused a fatal car crash, killing 4 people, but was given probation instead of prison. The court accepted a defense called affluenza, arguing that his wealth prevented him from understanding consequences. Critics called it a travesty. The court called it legal precedent. Apparently, being rich and spoiled is now a get-out-of-jail-free card. Number 5. Homeowner sued by burglars. A homeowner defended his property and injured a burglar in the process. You might think the burglar is at fault, right? Nope. The court ruled the homeowner could be sued for not making the property safe for intruders. This ruling takes absurdity to a new level. Criminals have the right to physically unharmed burglarize your home. Security systems? Optional. Number 6. Judge overruled by candy. In one case, a judge dismissed an entire lawsuit because the witness didn't like the type of lollipop they were given as a bribe or gift. Emotional distress via candy. Suddenly, confectionery becomes a legal weapon. The lesson: in some courts, the type of candy matters more than facts or logic. Number 7. $1 lawsuit. A fast food customer sued for receiving a single dollar instead of coins as change, and won. Imagine spending hours arguing over something so trivial, yet the court sided with the plaintiff. Moral: don't mess with math in court. Even the smallest error can cost millions, or at least a legal headache. Number 8. Sneezing while driving. One driver had an accident after sneezing. The court ruled it a force majeure event, legally excusing the accident. A chew equals immunity. This case perfectly illustrates how courts sometimes value technicalities over common sense. Number 9. DIY surgery disaster. A man attempted home surgery on a relative and failed miserably. He then sued the patient for emotional distress, claiming the patient didn't consent to incompetence. The court sided with him. Yes, you read that correctly. You can sue someone for not expecting you to fail at surgery. Number 10. Accidental arson. A man accidentally burned down his neighbor's shed. The court dismissed criminal charges because intent matters more than outcome. So technically, accidental destruction of property is legal. Lesson: always check your fire alarms, but apparently you might still get away with literal arson. Number 11. Puppy custody battle. 2 neighbors fought over a stray puppy. Instead of deciding themselves, the court ruled the puppy could stay with whichever neighbor it preferred. This is one of those rare times where animals actually participate in legal decisions. If your dog chooses poorly, tough luck. Number 12. Time traveler defense. A man claimed he committed a crime because he was temporarily displaced in time. Somehow the court gave him probation anyway. Science meets law, and logic walks out the door. The verdict? Technically, time travel excuses everything. Number 13. Ice cream in your pocket. In New York, it was illegal to carry an ice cream cone in your pocket on Sundays. Blue laws strike again. Dessert equals crime. The law doesn't care if it melts, it cares if it's portable. Number 14. Baby food after midnight. Some towns in Nevada once prohibited feeding infants baby food after midnight. Noise complaints, health hazards, unknown. Moral: mashed peas at 12:01 a.m. equals legal trouble. Number 15. Diagonal sandwich only. Some schools in the U.S. required sandwiches to be cut diagonally. Horizontal or vertical? Illegal. Geometry rules the cafeteria. Triangle supremacy over rectangle oppression. Number 16. No naming pigs Napoleon. In France, it was illegal to name a pig Napoleon for over a century. Protecting national pride beats barnyard animals, apparently. Number 17. Free speech for insults. A man yelled insults in a courtroom. The judge ruled it artistic expression, dismissing contempt charges. Rudeness equals legally protected. Number 18. Handling salmon suspiciously. In the UK, it's illegal to handle salmon in suspicious circumstances, intended to prevent poaching, but the mental image of someone interrogating fish is priceless. Number 19. Stolen pencils, emotional distress. An employee stole a pencil, got fired, then sued for emotional distress, and won. Lesson: office supplies can destroy lives legally. Number 20. Ice cream must be eaten sitting. Some towns fine people for eating ice cream while walking. Sit down or pay the penalty. Public safety plus frozen dessert equals bizarre legal cocktail. Number 21. Fried chicken with hands only. Gainesville, Georgia passed a law that eating fried chicken with utensils is illegal. Hands mandatory. One 91-year-old tourist was even arrested. Number 22. Candy gifts too small. In Idaho, giving a box of candy weighing less than 50 pounds was illegal. True love must now be measured in sugar tons. Number 23. Mistreating oysters. In Maryland, it's illegal to mistreat oysters. No one defines mistreatment. Treat them gently or face fines. Number 24. Bananas in temples. In some Thai provinces, carrying bananas in certain temples is prohibited. Monks are watching. Bad luck plus legal trouble equals banana anxiety. Number 25. Judge admits confusion. Finally, one judge openly admitted in court, "I have no idea what I just ruled, but it stands." And it did. The ultimate example of courtroom absurdity. And that's 25 of the dumbest, most absurd courtroom decisions ever made. Which one made you laugh or question reality entirely? Comment below, hit subscribe, and remember, next time you step into a courtroom, keep your common sense handy, because sometimes the law leaves it at home.